Hi guys, it's Nunu and I'm here with you in English 101. We are in home, our bulletin board, and what do we have on our bulletin board this week? We have about week 11, the video you're listening to and watching now. We also have our work for the week 11 in modules, April 15th through the 21st, discussion 6B, the curriculum essay and a pronoun quiz, and complete the anonymous survey at the top of modules if you have not done so. On our bulletin board this week, we still have what's the core of the core curriculum, the frazzled teacher hair as our motif on the bulletin board, our symbol for this week. And as always, I'm going to remind you that our research paper topic is what is the cause or causes of low student success rates in the U.S., and what is the solution or solutions to this problem. With the curriculum essay, we are working on this research paper topic, as you know. Okay, so a reminder, my office hours are in General Classroom Building 210D, 12 to 2 p.m. on Mondays and Wednesdays except for holidays, and starting 4:15 this week. I have a Skype number during office hours. It is right here that you can click on for face-to-face conferencing. I think it's better than the other tools we've been using. So let's see how this works. And of course, here is our workshopping the essay policy, our pedagogy, the teaching method, and grading system if you need to review it. Okay, I'm scrolling to the top of the screen. I'm going to remind you that I'm here in inbox. You're never bothering me if you email me. You're never emailing me too much. If the assignments are not clear, I'm here. Okay, let's have a good week.